Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new portable jump starter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So nice to have in your vehicle at all times. Comes in a nice carrying case, hard case for it. Here are the cables that will hook up to it. User manual. Type-C charging cable to keep it charged up. And then the actual device itself. Oh, that's cool. Check it out. Go ahead and power it on. The power button's right here. So I like that it's got the big display right here with the battery percent, so that way you don't leave thinking that it's fully charged and it's not. Right here you do have your Type-C input. This is where you'll actually charge the device, but it also serves as a power bank, which we'll go ahead and try out right now here in a second. A USB device, and then it also does have a flashlight. There we go. You just hold that power button. It does have different modes as well. Can be very useful. As you can see, it's a little cloudy today. It's expected to rain, so if you get caught anywhere, this can be your flashlight as well. Or if you need help looking like something inside the hood, this can definitely help out as well. And if you wanted to go ahead and actually set it up to like a battery, so go ahead and open this up. We'll plug in our cable right here. You can see the light indicator lets you know that it's ready to go. So then you would actually want to go ahead and hook it up to the battery. My truck does not need a jump starter. None of the two vehicles that I have do need a jump starter. But if you did, like I said, all you got to do is hook it up to the correct colors, hit that power button, and then go ahead and fire it right up. So like I said, it's a very, very simple jump starter to use. Let's go ahead and actually try the power bank option that we have here. Now we'll just go ahead and actually plug in a USB device here. And then we'll plug it into the iPad. Make sure it's on. There you go. So it also serves as a power bank as well. So you got the jump starter, the power bank, as well as the flashlight. So the 3-in-1. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable jump starter, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.